Hi all, just doing a real quick video on some quick lunch ideas. So what I have here, as always, I like to have a main course, a fruit, a vegetable, a snack, and a treat. And this is kind of going with it. Well, it depends on how they want to eat it. And I also have some peanut butter there. They can eat the peanut butter with their crackers, or they can eat it with the apples, or just eat it by itself. So anyway, for the sandwich, I have French bread, and it's very basic. So it's French bread, 2 slices of lunch meat, and it can be whatever lunch meat you want. In this case, it's chicken lunch meat. And then I put cheese, use whatever cheese you like. I'm using shredded cheese, and then bread. And then I also put mayonnaise on it. Now for the adults, I went ahead and put, and I didn't toast it this time, it's just a regular cold sandwich. For the adult sandwiches, I put tomatoes, onions, and tomatoes on it. Tomatoes, onions, and bell peppers. Yeah. And then for their treat, I gave them a turtle, a whole turtle. For their vegetable, they got 4 baby carrots. They got 3 apples, slices of apples that they can be able to either eat with the peanut butter or they can just eat it by themselves. And then for their snack, they have some wheat thins here. So anyway, these are just some quick lunch ideas that you can be able to do for your friends, family, and or loved ones. You can always add more or less, just depending on what you want to do. Again, these are just ideas. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and definitely God bless.